So the plan for today is to build my flex point. So almost on the 1 million flex points. So I'm gonna do run around, check out Foot Locker chance with action if I could buy something to build up my flex points. So we're gonna do that, and I was excited. And the Jordan 1 University Blue has been relaunched, and it's already on the Flex app today, and so happy. I'm gonna try to build 1 million flex points. So with that being said, Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. So, and if you are excited, let's do this. So I'm gonna dropping off these orders from Goat and eBay and StockX, and then I'm gonna drop by checking out Foot Locker, Foot Action, or maybe Champs to build this 1 million flex points. Let's go. Alright, so first up we have here on the Foot Locker, check out if we could get something to build our points, our flex points. Alright, there's nothing here on the grade school. Alright, also in men's section there's nothing here, nothing on Jordans. Okay, so nothing here on Foot Locker. Let's go and check it out. Foot Action, Champs, if they have something. Let's go. Foot Action, let's see what they got. Alright, men's section, no Jordans there, no Jordans. Grade school, they got the 13s, but it's kind of small. This one is kind of expensive though, 119. That's already on clearance. This is not easy, you know. You gotta look for something. They tell you it's kind of easy to buy and then get the points, but hey, if it's not worth buying, then it's not worth getting the points. That's what I think. Nothing there. Alright, moving on. Since already here in the mall, we're gonna check out Finish Line if they have something. And here on women's section, they could have a good Air Force One, but I'm gonna pass. Here in grade school, they got the nose. I don't know what size are this one. Size 7. I think I'm gonna pass for now because I already got a bunch of those lows. Right now I'm just gonna build some flex points. Road to 1 million. Let's see what else. Alright, that's it. Nothing here. From afar, I thought those Jordan 11 lows looks could be deceiving. We're done here on Finish Line. Moving on, Champs. Alright, road to 1 million here. Building the flex points. Go and check the Champs and maybe Kids Foot Locker, but I bet there's nothing to find on Kids Foot Locker. So I'm gonna check out the Champs first, making sure if they had something here. I hope so. So moving on with the other store, hopefully we can find something else to build our points. Let's go. Alright, let's see if they got something here on Kids Foot Locker. You'll never know if you find something. Hopefully. Ooh. They got some Carmines. What size are this one? If they have the bigger size, I'm not gonna pick it up. But if they are size 4, maybe no. Size 4. You only have size 4? Oh. Oh no. Pass. Struggle is real. So some people on the YouTube or some on the online telling you it's gonna be easy to build the points, flex points, because my road to 1 million is kind of hard right now, especially there's nothing to buy, so I can flip them to get at least a small return of ROI or just return of money. Right now my flex points 828,000 and 0.97, so it's almost there. All right, so got another Foot Locker, and there is one City Gear right there, but I'm not gonna win, so just 40 building up the points, make it to 1 million. Interesting. We got some carmines. That is 4.5 past and out. Those hippie force 99. Or nothing here as well. This 1 million flex point is not just easy. Sometimes they tell you, go to the store, buy something to build the points. Man, struggle is real. Oopsie. Struggle is real. And oh, they got, how many stores we got visited? There's nothing there. And today, kinda, whew, I thought we're almost there to make 1 million, but it's hard. So let's see, let's move on. Next up, foot action. This is hard. There's nothing here. No Jordans, no lows, no mids. They got nothing also in grade school. Yo, the struggle is real and we fail in building in 1 million flex points today. I tried all the malls that close to me. Another one that kind of a little far of Foot Locker and the Foot Action, and those area is kind of something area, it's kind of more hidden and not a lot of people going there, and still nothing I could find anything that I could flip, get a little profit, return of investment, or a little bit like return of the money just to get the points. But struggle is real. So we failed on the 1 million flex points. So let's see if what will happen in the drop if we could win. If we don't have 1 million flex points, they are really true that you have more chances on winning on Foot Locker Champs and Foot Action, especially on high pre-list like this. So if you've seen the video, I won multiples, the Jordan 1 University Blue and Finish Line, and I didn't win any pair on Foot Action Champs, Foot Locker and Foot Action in my area because of the delayed in the shipment. That's why I wasn't able to get any pair on those store, and luckily I got a pair on Finish Line. So now we're gonna just see if it's that the flex points really matters if you wanna win in these foot sites. So I'm just gonna give you an update couple days if we're gonna win by tomorrow, if what would be the result. And with that said, even though we fail for this 1 million flex points, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo, kabayan. Bye bye.